Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today's recipe is fruit and yoghurt trifle. The ingredients are 2 jellies, 500 grams of fruit yoghurt, 1 tin of fruit or fresh fruit such as strawberries or raspberries to put in the bottom. Start by making up your jelly as it says on the packet. I have used this sugar-free version for this recipe. Take your fruit and add to a smart glass. Add your jelly. And leave to set. You can do this as individual glasses or you could do it as one big bowl. I like them in smaller glasses if I'm having visitors. Take your second jelly and make it up with only half the water on the directions. Leave that to cool slightly. Once the jelly is cooled but not set, add to the bowl. Add your 500 grams of yoghurt. Give it a good whisk. If you have an electric whisk, you can use that. Once there's plenty of air in the yoghurt, add to your glass or your bowl. And leave to set. This is fantastic served with squirty cream or fresh fruit on top.